Today we're going to change the oil on a Virago 535 and the filter. It's that easy. I'm not being condescending, but my daughter's going to do it. Right, I've run the engine up to get it a bit warm. You're going to need a 17mm spanner or a socket. And first we're going to drain the oil. The oil drain plug is on the left hand side of the engine underneath, and it's a 17mm spanner. It's on the kickstand side of the engine, and it's a 17mm bolt. Right, and then you're going to push it down. Mind your knuckles. Mind your knuckles. You loosen the bolt and then take the spanner off, get the tray underneath and undo it with your fingers. Doesn't matter if the bolt falls in the oil. That bolt will have a crush washer on it, which really should be renewed. But
ugh.
That's it.
That's disgusting.
Right, the oil filter is housed behind this, so you need to take off that 8mm bolt and these two, I think it's 5mm Allen screws, and that will come off. There's not a gasket behind it, there's an O-ring, and the filter's behind there. There you go. Make a note of where the bolts go, or remember, because they're all different lengths. Just make sure that this is... some oil may come out this, so just give that a tap with that rubber bit. That's it. Now lift it off.
Oh, it's warm. Oh.
Okay. Right. I'll take the O-ring off. That's instead of a gasket, that stays in there. Right, now there's the new filter. It's got a blank end, and the other end there's a hole in it, you'll see. Can you see there's a hole that end and a blank end? So put that new filter in exactly the same way. It's quite dirty. That's it.
Do you need to drain that?
Yeah, you need to clean it off with that rag. Just clean the face, don't worry about that oil in there. Just clean that.
That?
Yep.
Push it?
It's in, yeah? Yep. Right, now replace the plug, the drain plug. 17mm spanner, tighten it up. 17mm spanner. Go on tight. That's it. Right, it should take about 3 litres of oil now. There's a oil sight glass underneath the bike that once you've put a couple of litres in we'll stand it up and you can have a look. So take the oil cap off.
It's red. Oh.
That's a Motul 15W50, especially for motorcycles and engine oil.
Why is it red?
It's got an additive in it that because it's a wet clutch and it stops the clutch from slipping. That's why you can't put normal motor oil in it.